What is a video end screen and how can you use them to help you get more views, connections, and followers on social media? So basically, you make a video, you upload it to YouTube, you upload it to LinkedIn or Facebook, and basically what happens at the end of the video? People get to the end of your video, and if they loved your content, a lot of the times they don't really know what to do. And the end screen is just a 20-second or so screen at the end that tells them what to do. It says, hey, you can follow my channel, you can subscribe to me on YouTube, you can connect with me on LinkedIn, you can leave a comment, leave a like, and it really helps a lot in when somebody gets to the end of your video. If they really like the content and they really like the video, on YouTube you can actually link them directly to your next video, and you can choose by a playlist that you've selected, or you could choose the best video that YouTube determines for that specific viewer. And that really helps a lot, because when somebody comes and watches your video on YouTube, people just keep clicking to next videos, next videos, next videos. You don't want them getting to the end of your video and clicking on somebody else and then leaving and never coming back to you. What you want to do is you want to have the next video directly in there, or a subscribe button, so then they can know to subscribe to your channel and say, hey, we put out videos once a week, you should subscribe. And the end screen really helps keep viewers on your channel instead of going to somebody else. And even on LinkedIn, it actually helps with letting people know, hey, leave a comment if you have a question, or like this video, or share if you have friends that could use these tips, things like that. And one of the main benefits that I've found from it is I post a lot of videos and I don't have any call to actions in them. I'm not asking for anything from anybody else. So I put those at the end so I don't have to have a call to action in my video and say, hey, I want you to buy this, or I want you to go check this out. I don't know, a lot of the times I just want to present the content, and I don't even want to ask people to subscribe, so I just put it in the end screen. If they want to subscribe, they know it's there, they can see it. If they want to see the next video, they can click and go to the next one. And it really will help build people up to continue watching your videos and stay on your channel rather than going to somebody else's. So if you're not using video end screens, definitely look into them. There will be one at the end of this video. So that's an example of how they look and how you can use them. And they're really effective. So hopefully you guys start using them and get more people sticking around on your videos.